Thank you. So, even though I've been taught to work hard, whether I like it or not, I choose to love and accept myself anyway. Even though I've been taught that lazy is bad, and that I couldn't and shouldn't love myself unless I was working hard. I choose to love and honor myself anyway. Even though I find it difficult to do nothing, to be at ease, I choose to really love and accept myself. Even though I have this programming. Okay. Working hard. Working hard for the money. Working hard for the self-esteem. Working hard because my parents worked hard. Working hard because my ancestors valued them. Working hard because I'm a human being. And everyone around me is working hard. And I can't conceive of not working hard and loving myself and making money and having life work. How could life work if I don't work hard? How could I feel good about myself if I'm not pushing? If I'm not pushing and shoving? How could I be self-loving without self-shoving? Got to put myself in the oven and sweat it out before I can deserve a vacation, before I can deserve a good retirement. I gotta prove myself. I gotta prove my self-worth before I'm worthy of relaxing. And I choose to challenge that belief. Might have worked for my ancestors. It might work for my Facebook friends. But it doesn't have to work for me. And I challenge. And I choose to release the compulsion around hard work. So that if I want to work hard, because it has meaning for me, because it's delicious, then I choose to work hard. But I release the have to. I release the shoulds. I release it. Even though it works for a lot of people, I release from my nervous system the belief, the compulsion that I have to work hard to experience prosperity, to experience self-love. Releasing that from my nervous system. Accepting that I can take it easy and have fun and be creative and make delicious money doing delicious things easily, joyfully, at a rhythm, at a pace that really works for my inner child. No more pushing. No more shoving. No more prison. No more have to. No more must. Releasing all that should and coming from freedom. Coming from choice. Coming from the heart. My heart. my beautiful heart that knows the way to a vocation that feels like a vacation. A vocation that feels like a celebration. A sense of self-expression that doesn't have to make an impression or get approval from others. I'm my own self-lover. And what I do turns me on. And if it doesn't, I release it. Because my primary occupation is self-celebration. That's my vocation. And I choose to know when I'm in that flow, my money does grow. And my aura does glow. And I get happy. And the happier I feel, the more other people are happy. And the more my money multiplies. I am happy. And I'm rich. And I'm taking it easy. And I'm visiting tropical places. And I have smiles on my faces. My inner child embraces that my vocation feels like a vacation. I'm at self-celebration, releasing anything to the contrary, releasing any resistance to getting divine assistance, in letting go of resistance. Resisting ease. Letting go of resisting ease. And accepting ease. Is my compass. Is my intuition. Is my God. Saying, that's it. That's where you're going. That's how to know. What's God's will for me? What's God's will for me? God's will for me is ease, gentleness, prosperity, joy, lots of love for the highest good of all concerned. Nice deep breath. I formally and informally release the work ethic from my bones, from my nervous system. I no longer have a nervous system. I am not nervous. And I need no system except my intuition, which takes me home and expresses at home in my bones, never alone, in co-creation with the angels and guides and Holy Spirit, whatever the hell that means. I am one with that Spirit. And so it is. Nice deep breath. And those of you watching at home on YouTube, repeat this as often as you need to till you feel at ease, vocationally, emotionally, spiritually. And so we're done with the recording part of this, and I want to ask, how are you